detention and the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? Show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. If somebody else says, kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
General naman kayo. Alam naman na hindi man lang siya na-serve kung anong kaso kung pinag-charge sa kanya ngayon. Hindi niya alam. No?
Kahit na PI man lang.
Alam mo, ang charge sa kanya nasa dyaryo na. And then, hindi pa kayo na ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo membro. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And yet, sir, you are the Prosecutor General. Yes. You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit. Without doing those procedure process, here we are being issued a warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Ano naman po, sir? Sir.
There's naman doon blooper, puro pagdating sa trial gan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Magkaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno. Even if you kill me now, totoo talaga, truly, it does not scare me a bit. Hindi naman ako magpasalamat, pero kaligaya ko na lang magpahinga na. Am I worth the toil of the police? At ako, presidente, noon may gagawin akong kalukuhan. If they want to arrest me, I will go to them.
No apprehensions whatsoever sa mga naririnig niyo po sa balita, Mayor, na may arrest warrant? Hindi po kayo na babother nito?
I'm old for that, actually. Even if you kill me now, totoo talaga, truly, it does not scare me a bit. Hindi naman ako magpasalamat, pero kaligaya ko na lang magpahinga na.
So, walang takot whatsoever? Wala, sir?
About fear of dying?
Yeah. Yung susundan ka ng mga ICC. May 100,000 na daw po na mga polis na ka-deploy sa Davao, sir.
Kakahiya naman niya. Pakisabi naman sa kanila na dagdagan nila ng few more mag-recruit sila sa probinsya. Come to think of it, bakit gawin nila sa bayan ko at sa akin mismo? Am I worth the toil of the police? At ako, presidente, noon may gagawin akong kalukuhan. If they want to arrest me, I will go to them. Hindi na ako kailangan ng presidente ako, naging prosecutor ako. Ano ba nakain nila? All they have to do is to call me and say, come here that because there's a complaint against you. or there's a valid summons or whatever from Congress or from the courts. Bakit mo pa dramahin sa akin yung ganun? Matanong nga, sometimes ito nangyayari talaga. What would be the fucking reason for marshalling 5,700?
They said,
Bakit pagurin mo yung Pilipino? Na isa lang man ang kailangan ko na baski isang patrolman dyan sa airport magabang. Hindi ako yung maglaro ng patago-tago diyan. Naging presidente ako. So sinong taguan ko? Police? Army? Sino?
may sisi.
ICC? Tagal ko na naghintay niyan. Vice Mayor pa ako, ICC. Ngayon, CCI na yan. Pabaliktad. Hindi ko kayo hinahamon, pero you have been doing it, fucking on it for a long time. Can you just please try once more? This time with yung action and candor. So makita tayo. Crimes against humanity man kaya. Pati yung hindi ninyo nasali na pinatay ni Hitler, idagdag mo na sa akin. Yung nakalimutan ninyo na listahan ko. Or the unsolved massacres around the world. Charge it on me because isang impierno lang ito. Walang ano man to.